सिंपली स्पोर्ट कार्यक्रमान तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. आमी आसा पणजे जिमखाना ग्रावंडार आनी हांगा सुरू आसा बांदोडकर लीग ट्रॉफीची फायनल साळगांवकर स्पोर्ट्स क्लब आनी चौगुले वॉरियर्सा मदीं. बांदोडकर लीग ह्या सर्तीक 50 वर्सांहून चड वर्सांचो इतिहास आसा आनी आज आमी मारुया नजर ह्या इतिहासीक सर्तीचेर. Goa's oldest cricket tournament, Bandodkar League Trophy, is a prestigious title to annex. Since the 1962-63 season, teams have fought tooth and nail to emerge champions and win this trophy. Many of the names inscribed on the Bandodkar Trophy do not have their presence in Goan cricket anymore, but their illustrious history is here to be seen for the present-day cricket enthusiasts. This trophy is a testament of the rise and fall of cricketing giants of Goa. Presently in its 52nd year, Bandodkar Trophy continues to be a coveted event in the state's cricket calendar, but one cannot deny that the competition has lost its sheen a bit due to various reasons. The 2015 Bandodkar League final was contested between Sargaonkar Sports Club and Chaugule Warriors. Let's watch the highlights of the finals and revisit history as we speak to former players about their memories of this Panjim Gymkhana event. I have with me Prakash Mayakar and Girish Parekh, who have played in this historic Bandodkar League Trophy. Both played for Panjim Gymkhana, which was a force in that era. Both players have played for 15 years in this tournament. Let's know from them their special memories about the tournament.
ते दीस वेगळेच म्हणजे तूं चिंतूंक शकना की बाबा आतांचे दीस आनी पयलींचे दीस. आतां इवन तो क्रावड आसा पळय पयलीं येतालो जेन्ना आमी येताले हांगा भरताले सगळे जाण. ओन्ली इट वॉज क्रावड लायक मीन चौगुले साळगांवकार मागीर पेंजीम जिमखाना आनी लोक येताले आमकां पळोवपाक आनी आमी कितें पयलींच प्रिपेर जाताले बाबा फाल्यां आमचो टुर्नामेंट आहा आनी फायनल आसा आमी येतले. पयलीं आतां पळयल्यार लोक येना पळोवपाक खूब वायट दिसता. हांव सकाळीं येयला मुद्दम आयज तो फूल मॅच पळोवपाक येतलो म्हणून म्हणजे इतली म्हाज्या मनाक इतले खुशी आसलेली.
Those days, the cricket was, there were a lot of groups. This is clubs like Gymkhana, MCC, they were the institution, probably even Bardez Gymkhana, and they would breed cricket those days. What used to happen, we used to pay our fees and play for the club. And then from those, once we get matured and become a better cricketers, then the clubs like Salgaonkars, other professional clubs, there were very few clubs at that time, they would pick them. And then those people would play for their clubs. So basically it was a breeding hub. Now the thing is that for last 10-15 years, ever since that GCA has got a lot of money has come in, so people are started paying the players. And due to that, clubs like Gymkhana and probably MCC, these are the clubs are faded out. And now actually we don't breed any cricket anymore. तेन्ना लोक आपले उमेदीक खेळटाले. सो तेन्ना कॅरियर बी वॉज नेवर हे फक्त खेळप हो पॅशन आशिल्लो. आमकां 85-86 रणजी ट्रॉफी स्टेटस मेळ्ळो. तेन्ना मागीर मातशें कळपाक लागलें बाबा क्रिकेट म्हणटा ती ऑफकोर्स पयशे जेन्ना येयले तेन्ना वॉज व्हेरी लेट. जेन्ना आमी जेन्ना रणजी ट्रॉफी खेळा तेन्ना प्रॉब्ली इट वॉज 50 रुपीज पर डे. And last when I played in 95, it was 3,500 rupees per match. So हो सिस्टम जेन्ना पयशे जेन्ना इनवॉल्व जाले ते खुबशे क्लब्स काबार तो एक्सपिरियन्स म्हणजे आतां जेन्ना आमी बांदोडकर ट्रॉफी बी खेळटाले पळय तेन्ना तेन्ना एक पॅशन वेगळो आसलेलो. एवरी वन वॉज लायक झोन वायज कशी जाली ती मडगांवचे MCC आमी हांगासले वास्कोचे साळगांवकार नाले दे वे प्रोफेशनल म्हणटे ते क्लब्स भायले हाडूंक शकताले. Again, I would also say that Vijay Chogule had a very big contribution because तेन्ना RLM trophy was a major factor. तेन्नाच ते भायले येताले लोक भायले क्रिकेटर्स तेका लागून लोकूय येताले. तो क्रिकेट समज TV also was not there. Probably TV 83 येयल्या. पण क्रिकेट तेन्ना आमी गोवा वॉज ऑलवेज नोन फॉर अ फुटबॉल. क्रिकेटीक व्हडलें हें नाशिल्लो. आतां म्हाज्या कोतान फुल्ली एक्वीप जाला. दोज डेज जेन्ना आमी रणजी ट्रॉफी खेळटाले तेन्ना पावस लागतालो आमकां पयलो. सो मेन जेन्ना सोंपले काय ना म्हणजे कॉन्क्रीट
बास्केटबॉल आसलो काय न्हू. आणि मॅची आमची नोव्हेंबर आनी पावस प्रॅक्टीस काय ना. आमी डायरेक्ट बॉलिंग घालताले डायरेक्ट आमी खंयसर हांगा मॅचीक कॉन्क्रीट आहली बास्केटबॉलाक थंयसर प्रॅक्टीस आमची. आनी थंय पेंजीम जिमखाना थंय नेट घालप आनी बॉलिंग घालप थंयसर आमी प्रॅक्टीस करप.
आमी एकदां फायनल्स 2-3 मॅचेस बरे जाल्ले आमचे लायक तेन्ना पयलींच्या टायमार बांदोडकर फायनल्स जेन्ना जाताली पळय इट वॉज 3 डे मॅच. पण 3 डे मॅच विथ अ लिमिटेशन. म्हणजे फर्स्ट इनिंग वॉज प्लेड 75 overs and second inning was played 55 overs. So those days एकदा आमी फायनल एक MCC कडेन खेळिल्ले आनी MCC had taken around 140-130 plus lead and we were chasing. So second inning what had happened आमकां तेन्ना दयानंद बंगेरा म्हणून आसलेलो प्लेयर्स and they were the players. He played extraordinary. ते 15-20 ओवरीन ते 130 lead काडली plus we added something and
120.
Yeah.
We gave around 120, 130 to win.
No, I think it is 200 and something, 220 in 55 overs for them to chase. And we got them out after conceding the lead in the first inning to them. Dusre, I would say when we played against Chogules, it was a 4-day match because then we played against Chogules and then Raju Pendekar scored 229. That was a massive inning by anyone during that time. And he played that time खूपच असे रेकॉर्ड झाले म्हणजे he batted for all 4 days. नाही आमकां खबर नाशिल्ली. Plus he scored 229 second inning and some 50s मारले. It was a very long inning for us to see those days. Probably almost 1.5 day batting beating बी अशी करून. आणि त्यांना बॉम्बेचे प्लेयर्स झाले. They were a very good side.
बाबू पाटील बीन सगळे आणि 17 आमची प्रॅक्टीस सेशन चलताली हांगा. आम टेल यू मिरिकल 40-50 जण आसताले आमी ह्या विकेटीचेर. हांगाय विकेट आसली हांगाय विकेट आसली. कळ्ळें तुका 40 जण आसताले आनी महेश दोड आमचो फील्ड कॅप्टन तुका सांगता सांगना आमी ताका मागीर फावर बाबा आमकां आयज बॉलिंग दी मरे मातशी आयज आमकां बॅटिंग दी काल हांवें करूंक ना मरे फावर मागोन सगळे इतले चलताले. अरे कितले लोक आदित तारकार महेश देसाय Chetan, everybody were there. That time.
There was such a lot of hunger.
Yeah. There was a lot of most of the people were interested in playing for Gymkhana. Gymkhana खेळप म्हणल्यार व्हडलें आसलें. अगेन तेन्ना टायमूय अशें आशिल्लो. जर्मनिया क्रिकेट बी आसलें. We were picked up after playing Germania trophy. We were picked up by Anil Langley and all. They went to our places, our parents. They called us. They made us play. I was a footballer who became a cricketer. So अशें कितें पण तेन्ना तो जर्मनिया ट्रॉफी आनी इंटर स्कूल वॉज व्हेरी इंपॉर्टंट फॅक्टर. तेन्ना येवन पळयताले आनी दे वूड सी द पोटेंशियल. दे वूड इनवायट देम एंड मेक देम मेंबर्स ऑफ जिमखाना सो दॅट दे स्टार्ट विथ एटलीस्ट B.C. and then they will go for A. Now this thing is not there.
पायोनियर तेन्ना कोण आसले आमचो अनिल आंगले मागीर तो चेतन देसाय लुची सुद्दां सुनील नायक म्हणजे संदीप नायक हे पायोनियर सारके आमच्या घरा वचून खेळ मरे. तुका एकदां आमची म्हाजी 12th जाली मॅथ्स पेपर आसलो. अनिल आंगले घरा येयलो म्हणलो एक दीस तो खेळ मरे ती मॅच आनी मागीर गॅप आहा रे हांव खेळो ती प्रेस्टीज जातली.
तशें एकदां एक मॅच जाली फायनल्स जेन्ना आमी बॅटिंग करताले 1.5 day गेम जाली आनी आफ्टर लंच म्हाजो अंकल एक्सपायर जालो आनी सडनली समवन केम आनी दे डिडंट टेल मी. दे कॉल्ड मी आउट सेंग दॅट आनी म्हाका घरा वच म्हणालो कितें तरी सिरियस आहा कोण आनी वेन आय सॉ माय अंकल एक्सपायर जालो. अगेन वेन द नेक्स्ट next day was there after crimination बी सगळें जाल्लें crimination बी सगळें जाल्लें. Yeah, I did, but we wanted to we were short of some 70-80 runs and wicket less आसले म्हणजे wicket जाय आसलेली म्हणजे tail enders batting करपी जाले. So I was put that option under test and for that time probably I was probably 16 or something, I don't know. I could not decide myself and I came and played here. स्मशानांच्यान येवन हांव खेळ्ळा. Of course I could not see anything. But I made an attempt. But that passion was there for us. And तेन्ना म्हाका ते खूब क्रिटिसिजमूय जालें म्हाज्या फॅमिलीन म्हाकाच ओवर जालें मागीर लास्ट टायम. बट हे केल्लें.
पॅशन फॉर क्रिकेट.
I made that attempt and I played. So तितकी पिशेपण आशिल्लें आमकां खेळपाचें.
बरोबर. पूण आजकाल अशें दिसता की इवन जर्मनी आनी बांदोडकर ट्रॉफीचे महत्व खंय तरी ओव्हरशॅडो जाला.
डेफिनेटली बांदोड ट्रॉफी इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट टुर्नामेंट एवर फॉर गोवा. आय एम टेलिंग यू ते खंय तरी इम्पॉर्टन्स जाय आमी दिवपाक. पण सध्या दिता बऱ्या 2 टुर्नामेंटां दिता चालू आसा आनी बऱ्या प्रमाणान केल्यार न्हू आनी आमकां सॅटिस्फॅक्शन जातलें.
तुमकां तशेंच दिसता?
डेफिनेटली आमकां म्हाज्या कोतान एटलिस्ट म्हाज्या कोतान म्हाका दिसता पर्सनली जीसी ओ समथींग शूड सपोर्ट टू गिव अ बेटर कित्याक आमी चडशे आतां पर्वरी ग्रावंड जाल्ले. पर्वरी इज अ ब्युटिफूल ग्रावंड पण आय स्टील फायंड द क्वॉलिटी ऑफ विकेट दीस वॉज ऑलवेज ब्युटिफूल. सो आय थिंक दे शूड एटलीस्ट बिकॉज कितकी वर्साच्यान कन्सिस्टंटली जाता अजून स्टॉप जावं ना. पोरू इनफॅक्ट जाला बिकॉज पीपल वेर overburdened, players were overburdened, they didn't want to play more. So they are there. But so they are there, they should plant some money here so that they can make it on a better way. Because लोकांक बरोबर आनी जी आतां प्रत्येक मनीस तुका मडगांव सॉरी पर्वरी वचूंक शकना. पर्वरी वॉज गुड. आतां तूं खूब कडेन गेल्यार वास्को हे सगळे स्टँडर्ड खूब टुर्नामेंट्स कमी जाल्या. सो मातसो हे दिवपाक जाय सो दॅट ऑटोमॅटीक इनवॉल्वमेंट वाडटलें.
पयलीं लोक जशे पळोवंक येताले तशे आतां येवंक जाय जाल्यार कितें करचें पडटलें?
दॅट इज अ बीग क्वेश्चन. अकॉर्डिंग टू मी पयलीं हांगा कितें पणजेचे क्रिकेटर आसताले चड. सध्या तुवें पळय गोवा रणजी ट्रॉफी खंय पळय पणजेचे क्रिकेटर कोण ना. मुद्दम पळय दाखयता कोणूच ना. आमचे पयलीं हांगा नेट्स आसताले. म्हाका दिसता की आतां आमी जिमखानान चोपन नेट सुरू केले न्हू 4-5 नेट्स केले. कोचीस तो पळय थेयले न्हू आतां एक्सचेंज थेयता सुरू केले. इट विल बी बॅक टू स्क्वेअर वन. आमकां परत जातलें आमकां प्लेयर येतले भुरगे येतले खेळटले डेव्हलप जातले.
खंय तरी हो ग्रावंड एक क्रिकेटची पंढरी आशिल्ली हांगाच्यान बरे बरे रणजी प्लेयर्स जाताले ते आतां जायना.
आमचो सदां ट्रेंड आसतलो जिमखाना नॉर्मली वी हॅव प्रोड्यूस गुड फास्ट बॉलर्स. Similarly, MCC had always produced good spinners. That is the history. Of course, Chogule was always a mixture from here and there. The other because the professional club. Vasco also had a talent. There is no doubt about Namdev Phate are brilliant आसलेले. पण आमकां कितें आसता कसो जेन्ना तूं नेट जेन्ना इन्वॉल्व करता मातशी फॅसिलिटीज बिकॉज जर करीत it can be definitely done. It has to be done.
Thank you very much for talking to us. Thank you.